Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to make a beautiful quartz bracelet. First, gather your essential materials: lovely quartz beads, a strong elastic cord, and a sharp pair of scissors. For the best look and feel, choose beads that are typically 6 to 8 millimeters in diameter. Also, make sure your elastic cord is at least 1/2 millimeter thick. This ensures your bracelet will be durable and last a long time. Let's get started on this fun project. Next, let's prepare your elastic cord. Begin by measuring your wrist circumference to find the perfect length for your bracelet. Once you have that measurement, add an extra 6 to 8 inches to the cord. This additional length is crucial for comfortably tying your knots later on. Finally, use sharp scissors to cut the elastic cord cleanly, ensuring a smooth and easy stringing process for your beads. This step sets the foundation for a well-fitting bracelet. Now comes the fun part: stringing your beads. Carefully begin sliding your beautiful quartz beads onto the elastic cord. As you string, try to ensure that the beads are evenly spaced and facing the direction you prefer for a consistent look. It is important to leave about 2 inches of cord free on each end of the bracelet. This extra length will be essential for tying a secure and lasting knot, preventing your beads from slipping off. To complete your bracelet, it is time to tie a secure knot. Use a surgeon's knot to firmly join the 2 ends of your elastic cord. This knot is known for its strength. For extra security, apply a small drop of clear adhesive directly onto the knot and let it dry completely. Finally, carefully trim any excess cord, leaving just a tiny tail. This ensures a clean, professional finish, and your beautiful handmade quartz bracelet is now ready to wear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.